Ipaano lang ka na mo, Kili, paguyod. What happened to you, mommy? Same tayo, mommy. Hello, Idril! Hello, Daddy!
Pagdating kami doon, alam na namin. Hindi na kami mabigla, baka hindi kami mag-ainap.
Hi, Ma! Kasi naman sila. Wala pa sila. Mama! Mami! Daddy! Idril! Uy, pakita yung tit, may pakita yung tit. Nami sa window dapit.
Everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are now taxiing towards Ninoy Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
We are here in Manila. Hi, Ma! Mommy! Daddy! Kaloy and Amy! Nada, may sa China. Dahil sa Manila, so ano ito? Masaya ba tayo? Nandito na tayo sa Manila. Ito kami sa Japan. China. Hindi na muna Tagalog, guys. Okay. Saan tayo kakain? Bookie out. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.